Hi, this is Mary Moen, the instructor for your course, and this short video is going to just be a quick tour of how I use Brightspace in all of my courses. So when you log into Brightspace, you'll come to this home page and you'll see your courses listed on the left-hand side, and you can choose what semester for courses that you want listed. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use 531 as my exemplar, but I use Brightspace similarly in all the courses that I teach. So I'm going to click on the course, and you're going to see that there's a visual table of contents, TOC, and you'll see that I always have a start here page, and then the weekly lessons will be available on the table of contents. So everybody should go to the start here, and you will see that I have my welcome and learning objectives. I have the syllabus. You can learn more about me, some technology requirements. If you're new to Brightspace, I've linked you to some tutorials here, and I have a couple of orientation activities, and you'll see something very similar in all my courses. On the left-hand side here, you can see the weekly topics, and you can click on one to get to the next topic. So each week's lesson, I always have a welcome and learning objectives section, and I will always give you some context for it, and then I will have some learning outcomes. I always have a warm-up activity, and it helps you kind of get acclimated to the course and what you're going to be learning. It inspires curiosity, hopefully, and you can then also proceed to the next module by hitting the forward button here. So then I usually have readings and viewings, and then I have, if there's a lot of readings, I've chunked them out into categories, and then you'll always find a discussion post that you can start a new thread and respond to my prompts. And there's always going to be a weekly activity. In this first case, you're going to be people set up a blog, but there'll be a weekly activity for each lesson. If you want to go straight to assignments, you can click on assignments, and you can see all the assignments and click on them and get a description of them and how to submit. You can also go directly to discussions and post your discussions here, and you can also look at your progress in class, but nothing's happened at this point. So that's the basic Brightspace course. When I make an announcement to the class, they're going to show up here on the right, and you can always click into it and get all the past announcements. And they have this handy calendar tool that tells you when assignments are due. So that's a quick tour, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.